Hi, I'm Miss Mac, and this is Tickle Spot's Approach to Multiplication. Today, in part 1 of 3 parts, we're going to learn to count by 2's and then use our knowledge to tickle the characters. So, let's meet them. First, we have Zero Hero, Run Around 1, 2 Blue Shoes, Baby 3B, Do More 4, High Flying 5, 6, Swinging 7, 8 Skate, and Tiny Whiny 9. Since we're going to be counting by 2's, what better helper than 2 Blue Shoes? He's a great guy with a special talent. He blows on things like balloons and toy sailboats and such. Oh yeah, he will only wear shoes that have the color blue on them. That's why we call him 2 Blue Shoes. Now let's practice our 2's. Let's use the stairs to do this. Here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, here's Zero Hero. He wants to help too. Well, let's start with Zero Hero, 2 Blue Shoes, Do More 4. Here comes Poor 6, 8 Skate, and 2 Tina 10. Thanks, guys. That was a lot of help. One of the best ways to see patterns is by counting by 2's and to use a counting chart. Count the red numbers with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Today we only need to know how to count to 20, but let's watch as the numbers light up all the way to 100. It's a lot of fun to learn things on your own. You will notice that all the numbers that are being lit up end in the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. We call these numbers, the one in red, even numbers because we can divide them evenly. So let's help finish the counting. 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Wow. It's a very smart start if you can count to 100 by 2's. Another way to picture counting by 2's is a number line. Here is one that is labeled from 1 to 20. Count with me, by 2's of course. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Remember that multiplication is simply adding the same number. Now 2 Blue Shoes is ready to help. Here we go. He has his sailboats all lined up. He's going to blow in them 2 at a time. So, he starts with the first group of 2. That's 2. Then he blows on the second group. That makes 4. Then the last group makes 6. So we have 2, 4, 6. This is 3 sets of 2, which is equal to 6. We could call that a half a dozen, but for multiplication, we're just going to say 3 times 2 equals 6. Remember, multiplication is simply adding up the same number. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Or simply write it as 2 times 3 equals 6. I think we've got this. Now for the fun part. We can tickle and count by 2's to find our answer in multiplication. We have 2 Blue Shoes times Baby 3B. Draw the line. Remember our instructions, counting by 2's as we tickle Baby 3B. Here we go. 2, 4, 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. And if we want to write it the standard way, we do it this way. 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's try that again. This time we're just going to use the numerals. 2 times 3 equals what? The top number tells us to count by 2's as we tickle the bottom number. Here we go. 2, 4, 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. And again, we write it the standard way. Great job. Now 2 Blue Shoes is going to use his shoe collection to help us learn multiplication. Choose shoes, blue shoes, count them up, count by 2's. Okay. First pair, we have 2. The blue and white makes 4, 2, 4. The ones with yellow makes 6, 2, 4, 6. The ones with blue and red make 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Next one we have 10, and my favorite pair, white and blue, makes 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 6 sets of 2 equal to 12. Or we can write it the standard way in multiplication. 6 times 2 equals 12. And 12 is what we call 1 dozen. Now we get to tickle and count by 2's. You have 2 blue shoes times 6, 6. Draw the line. Remember, we're to count by 2's as we tickle 6, 6. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2 times 6 equals 12. And this is the standard way of writing that. Now let's just use the numerals and do it again. We have 2 times 6 equals what? We're going to count by 2's as we tickle the numeral 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2 times 6 equals 12. And again, this is the standard way of writing that. I think we really have this down. So that was part 1. Now let's take a look. In part 2, we get to tickle all the characters while we practice multiplication. In part 3, we have a lot of fun with quick review, where our brains no longer need the tickles. We just own the answer. This is Ms. Mack. Have a great day and never, never stop learning.